In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow customers to pay whatever they want at your Gumroad store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy, just go to this left sidebar menu and click the products tab. Now select the product where you want to apply this change, for example this one. And if we scroll down, we will see the pricing and the option to allow customers to pay what they want. So if we enable this option, we will need to put a minimum unsuggested price. So if you want to make it free, it can be 0 right here. And this way people can get the product for free, but they can pay if they want to. You can put a suggested amount, for example $5. And if you want, you can go to the preview right here to see how it will look like. So this is my product. As you can see, it's free. And right here, this is the suggested price, and they can pay if they want to. So right now they could just download the product or get the product for free, or they could put the price they want and purchase the product instead. So that's it. Make sure to save the changes right here, and that's how you can do it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.